MIBL is our second home and always help us in every situation with different policies like mediclaim policy, marriage policy and education policy.
समय समय पर कंपनी के सीनियर लोगों द्वारा हमें परिवार के साथ समय बिताने और परिवार के साथ खुश रहने के लिए अलग कार्यकलापों से प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है.
Our support service team is helping us to resolve all our administrative problems and taking care by interacting with us on regular basis to know more about the situation of the employees and getting our feedbacks and providing information as well.
Although there is a core value system, there is the foundation, but people with different ideas, beliefs and values are encouraged to be a part of this organization.
Mahindra Insurance Brokers has always been like an extended family to me. And in this tough time, our management has shown more care towards their employees.
Our HR encourages us to share photos or videos of those activities being carried out during work from home. Example, cooking, yoga, painting articles, etc.
In this dream situation also, MIBL is making us stay positive and helping us to go through this pandemic positively and smoothly.
Apart from this, our people development team conducts a weekly care call to check on each and every employee in this situation. Also, several webinars have been conducted to ensure our learnings and development does not stop.
At MIBL, humanity comes first. I'm truly blessed to be a part of such an organization united by a diverse set of people.
Our people development team has been constantly in touch with each and every employee through multiple engagement initiatives and Care Connect calls. Our administrative team has been constantly working to ensure we all are safe and can resume work post-lockdown in appropriate way. I'm very proud to be an MIBL employee.